once everybody has one of those fabulous cocktails, they're all in a good mood.
Yeah. Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with, and we have the ultimate icon herself, Martha Stewart. I am so excited to do this interview. I have been excited about interviewing people before, but this one right here is literally one of my top favorites. How are you, Miss Martha?
I am very well, thank you. It's a lovely day at my farmhouse kitchen, and we're ready to talk iconic box.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, if you ask me, I feel like it's such a fitting name, having you be the person that's doing this. I feel like there could be not a better name to do this box. So while we're on the topic of it, I do have to ask you to tell me everything about it. I know it's a partnership with Frito-Lay and has some of your favorite things in it, but for people who are not familiar, please let us know everything that we can expect with this box.
Okay, well, this box contains a lot of really delicious things. First, Ruffles original potato chips.
Yes.
That seems to be our favorite potato chip, and it's perfect for recreating our very delicious and somewhat notorious steak tartare and Ruffles recipe, which everybody who gets it at an iconic box will be receiving. It also contains Lay's sour cream and onion flavored potato chips, Ruffles cheddar and sour cream flavored potato chips, $150 Lobel's of New York. Do you know who Lobel's is?
Yes.
Okay, that's the fanciest, schmanciest butcher shop on Madison Avenue.
Yes.
And you get a $150 gift card where you can get your perfect meat for making my steak tartare.
Ooh.
You get a signed Martha American Food Cookbook. You get a canister of gourmet sea salt, which is essential on steak tartare, a cooking class voucher for 2 chip clips and pins, a branded Unbox The Icons apron, which is very chic. And you can get all this if you enter to win an iconic box from now until June 5th. So you go to Martha Stewart 48 and leave a comment telling me about your favorite Frito-Lay snack.
It's a whole bunch that you get in this one box. So if you ask me,
yeah, it's a very beautiful box. Can you see it right back here? Look at this.
It's very beautiful. Yes, I love it. It's actually kind of a decorative piece too. Is this something that you think you'd leave out on the countertop for an event?
Well, at least for a conversation piece. And then you could reuse the boxes for storage or for a gift giving or whatever. But it's a very nice package, and it's actually a very fun package. And yeah. I think people will really like receiving it and making the steak tartare and experiencing a really high-low snack. This is, I call it high-low, you know, the most expensive meat and the most delicious snack with the potato chips. Wow, it's great.
I am very excited to try it. I've never thought about pairing those two together, but now I feel like getting this suggestion from the queen of entertaining herself, I know that it can only be right. So I'm very excited to do this.
Good.
As we all know, you are the queen of entertaining. Like I just said, there's no denying that. With spring here and summer right around the corner, what are a few tips that we should keep in mind when it comes to throwing the best gathering, whether inside or outside?
In the last 2 weeks, I've actually had 2 outdoor parties.
Nice.
Yeah, and one was for like 150 people, and one was for about 45 people. We did a Cinco de Mayo party. I like to sort of pair an outdoor entertainment to a holiday if possible. And we have Memorial Day coming up. I'm going to be entertaining on Memorial Day. We have 4th of July coming up. We have my birthday coming up. So there'll be a lot of outdoor entertaining. But first off, my first rule of having a successful party is have a successful drink that you serve to pretty much everybody.
Nice.
So for Cinco de Mayo, we had a martharita. It was a pomegranate flavored margarita. It was so delicious. And it's served in great big crystal Baccarat goblets with salt rimmed, pink salt rim. So it's special. And to tell you the truth, once everybody has one of those fabulous cocktails, they're all in a good mood.
Yeah.
That's right. That's what you really want. You want to sort of set a mood and then serve the most delicious snacks or foods, whatever, hors d'oeuvres that you can possibly serve. And to serve the steak tartare on a cool night, I wouldn't do it in the hot, bright sunlight, by the way. but I would do it on a cool evening with a delicious drink, and you'll just have a fabulous party.
Yeah.
People will love it. So choose your hors d'oeuvres well, choose your drink or drinks well, have a well-stocked bar. Don't skimp on the quality of your offerings. That's another thing. You're going to have a party, don't skimp.
Yeah.
Budget properly. And what helps you with your budget is if you include some of these fantastic ruffles or lays or this helps your budget a lot and makes it very delicious and chic and fun at the same time.
I cannot wait. I'm not really good at hosting parties. I'm very good at attending them. So if you have an extra invite, please keep me in mind. I would love to show up, of course. But if you're looking to pair a great sip with your iconic box, what would you suggest? I know your main thing is making sure that we have the right drink. You've given us the Martha Rita, which I don't know how you have a way of making everything so simple, sound so fancy and so luxurious, but I aspire to be like you every day of my life. So
well, we had another great drink at the tag sale party. And we had rhubarb syrup made from fresh rhubarb and sugar. And that syrup was poured into a glass over ice and then topped with either vodka or tequila and served with fresh mint. It was delicious. I also love to serve mojitos. I love to serve, I love caipirinhas. I don't know if you know what cachaça is, but that's another one of my favorite drinks. Okay. Fresh lime, brown sugar, cachaça on ice. Oh, so good. And everybody's happy. Everybody's happy having one of those.
Look, I'm all about the brown sugar, so I'm going to have to make sure that I look that up. I'm going to make it. And when I make each drink you've told me about, I'm going to tag you in it on social and let you know that I have recreated the perfect, fancy, yet simple drink from Martha Stewart. I'm very excited. If you
just go to martha.com and you'll have all those recipes online right there.
Awesome.
And also, visit Martha Stewart 48. That's my Instagram. And you'll get lots of great ideas right there.
The new collaboration with Frito-Lay, we have your wine, which by the way is delicious. I have tasted it myself. Good. We also have the Bedford, which is opening up this year. Very excited about that. Is there anything that you really can't do? The answer is up in the air. But what else do you have planned that you can tell me about? I hear there's a new TV special. Is there another season of Snoop and Martha? What do we have?
Martha Chard is my new wine. It is fantastic. A Chardonnay, California Chardonnay, which is talk about iconic. It's iconic and delicious and affordable.
Yes.
And the ABC special on May 25th is the Great American Tag Sale starring none other than Martha. And we had a great big fundraising tag sale that was a huge success. And the show is great. There's so many good things happening and so many things. And summer's coming. I'm looking forward to summer. Aren't you?
Yes, I am. We know, like I stated previously, you are the queen of entertaining. But if you had to throw a party where you were not the entertainer, who would you suggest to curate the menu? Who would you have entertain? And also, who would you have host?
Well, the next place you could have a really great party is in my new restaurant in Las Vegas. And you can just take in a show, one of the fabulous shows in Las Vegas, and you can come on over to the Paris Hotel, part of Caesars, and you can come to the Bedford, which is a kind of a recreation of my whole farmhouse atmosphere here in Bedford. We have a soft opening on July 12th, 13th, and then we have a big opening in August. And the menu is delightful and delicious. And I want everybody to come to the Bedford.
The next time I'm in Las Vegas, I will definitely be stopping by the Bedford. If you guys are too, please make sure you stop by. Make sure you tune into the new special. Martha, thank you so much. This has been amazing. You have literally made a dream of mine come true. My grandma's gonna love this when I tell her. My mom's gonna love it. My sister, everybody's just gonna love the fact that I got to talk to Martha. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hey y'all, it's me, Nikisi again. If you love that interview as much as I did, want to see more, get some hacks, or even check out a few recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. See y'all next time.